Want to start affiliate marketing but feel completely overwhelmed? What if I told you it only takes 7 days with one tiny step per day to launch your first online income stream? When I first looked into affiliate marketing, I wasted months jumping between tools, courses, and gurus. It was frustrating and expensive. That's why I put together the 7-Day Affiliate Challenge, a simple, beginner-friendly system that shows you exactly what to do each day. Day 1. Discover your why. Day 2. Pick your niche in 15 minutes. Day 3. Learn the only 2 tools you need. Day 7. See how clicks turn into commissions. It's designed to give you clarity, confidence, and a clear path to commissions, without the tech headaches or overwhelm. Ready to join the challenge? Click the link in my bio or comment challenge below and I'll send you the details. Don't wait, start your 7-day journey today and let's build your affiliate income together.